Believe it or not, I'm able to make a full-time living using this amazing tool called Kajabi. And whether or not you want to specifically use Kajabi hand in hand with YouTube like I do, this video will be helpful because I'm going to be revealing my strategy for making money with course sales, membership communities, private coaching, and more. I'll also compare Kajabi with other similar platforms out there so that you know you're making the right decision. Many people may think I'm being biased because I myself use Kajabi, but even if you watch other review videos out there, the majority of people are choosing Kajabi, and that's because it's truly an all-in-one platform, and also it saves you time and money in the long run because other people who use other platforms, they end up spending more or the same amount of money for like other add-on features, and then they're struggling to get everything to work together. But with Kajabi, you don't need to do that because it's truly an all-in-one, and it will save you time because you won't have to switch later on. So I want to make sure that Kajabi is the right fit for you, and if you sign up with my affiliate link down below, you'll not only get a 30-day free trial, but you'll also receive an email to book a free 1-hour coaching call with me where I'll help you decide if it's truly the right fit for you. So I'll assess your situation, I'll help you to decide, and worst case scenario, if it's not a good fit, you simply just cancel your free trial. So I use Kajabi to transform my YouTube channel into an online business, because if you have some sort of knowledge, skills, or expertise, then you can package that in a way that people will buy, such as a course, coaching program, membership community, or more. And you may be thinking, well, why would someone buy something like that when all the information is free online? That is because Google and YouTube won't hold people accountable and help them to implement. People have their own mindset blocks, and everyone's situation is unique. So you're being in highest service to them by providing them with a way to actually get them to where they want to be and to help them actually implement. So the biggest way that I use Kajabi to earn money is that in my YouTube videos, I'll offer a free ebook or a free mini course in exchange for people's emails. Then using Kajabi, I'll create email sequences, which is automated once people buy. So then they're on my email list, and then those emails eventually leads them into my paid products and services. I also use Kajabi to create a free coaching application that people will fill out, and then I will get on the phone with only qualified leads. And on that call, I'll give as much value as I can, and if they're interested, I'll tell them more about my paid products and services. This is something that you can do as well, and you can use it to create links to landing pages that you can share in your YouTube videos that people can click on, and then they can get onto your email list and eventually buy your paid products and services. And you don't have to be a YouTuber to make this work. However, YouTube is a really good way to market on autopilot, because I was sick the other day, confined in bed, and I still made $800 in sales, with everything that I built on Kajabi. And so if you want to take that route, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel, because that's mainly what I focus on is, how to use YouTube to drive traffic to your website, into your funnel. So why should you choose Kajabi over all the other platforms? Kajabi is for the average non-techie person. It's for you if you're a course creator, entrepreneur, coach, or consultant. And it's more than just a course and a membership hoster. It's a marketing tool, a payment collector, and a website builder. And yes, it is more expensive than the other tools, but that is because there's just simply more on there and there's more value. And with all of those features, you can earn your money back in no time. And it's truly all in one, so it'll save you time and it will save you headache. So it's worth it to pay the extra money to have a good experience, because it gives me Apple vibes. Like, it's very seamless and everything looks just very professional and put together. And it's truly everything that you need to run an online business. There's even a really nice mobile app that's really user-friendly to use, and it's a great way for your clients to access anything that you create for them. And I recommend Kajabi to all of my clients because I want the best for them. I don't want them to waste time later down the road switching over to Kajabi because, the cheaper software didn't have everything that they needed, and they were struggling to try to, duct tape everything together. And so I'm confident that each of my clients has the ability to earn 6 figures. And so when you think about it that way, what's $150 in overhead cost to run a 6-figure business? It's almost like nothing. And like I said, you can easily earn that money back. So I took the time to compare Kajabi with some of the other platforms out there. So you may have heard of Podia, Thinkific, Teachable, ClickFunnels, and ConvertKit. So I read reviews, I've watched videos, I even started free trials, and this is where all of them lie in terms of number of features and the easiness to use. I also made a pros pros and cons list based off of what I read and experienced. And I won't go through the time to actually read each of these bullets, but you can pause the video to get a better sense of each of these platforms. Now, I'm not saying that these platforms won't help you to succeed. There's a lot of businesses that use them to make money, but if you want the best of the best and you don't want to run into any issues like, oh, this platform doesn't have this feature, well then I recommend Kajabi. And regardless of which one you pick, I want to emphasize that you still need to put in the work. Just because you sign up for Kajabi, your computer is not going to start spitting out money. You need to build the funnel. You also need to drive the traffic and to market, and then you need to assess the data and the results from that and make adjustments based on that. So you need to think like an entrepreneur, think outside the box, get creative, and take action. If that's you, if that's what you want to do, go ahead and drop a hashtag I am a creator down below and start your free trial of Kajabi today using that link. Remember, you'll get a free 1-hour session with me if you do, and also subscribe to this channel if you specifically want to use YouTube to drive organic traffic, because I help entrepreneurs generate leads and sales from YouTube so that they're not spending, a lot of money on ads, or they're not cold calling or waiting until they're monetized with YouTube before they start earning money. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to meeting many of you on the free call.